In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix mobile data not working on Android. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Getting into it, what you basically want to go ahead and do once you're on your phone is go over to the top right where it has your settings and then just go ahead and click on that. Now from here, you're going to see a lot of different things, but you want to go to connections, which is under Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and SIM manager. Go ahead and click on that. Then you want to go to your SIM manager and make sure mobile data is turned on. Another thing you also want to go ahead and do is make sure you're not on flight mode, or also known as airplane mode. So when I swipe down, I'm going to see that airplane mode is not on. So make sure that's not on. Otherwise, you're not going to have any mobile data, any Wi-Fi, nothing like that. If those two things don't work, what you want to do is go back to your settings, go out of that, then you want to scroll down. Then once you're scrolled down, you want to go and find general management. So go ahead and click on that. You're going to see a lot of different things here, but you want to go to reset, which is under mouse and trackpad. Click on that. Then you want to go to reset mobile network settings. It's basically going to reset everything. Then after you do that, your mobile data should be working exactly as it should. It's as very simple as that. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.